Hello and welcome to Anatomy 1 Lab, Anatomical Position and Terminology. This is my subject, Megan J. is currently standing in the anatomical positions. Palms facing forward, feet flat on the floor, toes facing forward, eyes facing forward, shoulders back, posture is good. The anatomical position is important in a clinical setting because it is a common language used by all healthcare professionals. Now I'll be describing some medical terminology. Inferior means that something is below something else in the anatomical position. For example, the wrist is inferior to the elbow, and the elbow is inferior to the shoulder. Posterior. The intestines are posterior to the umbilicus, and the heart is inferior to the sternum. Medial. The fifth metacarpal is medial to the fourth metacarpal, and the fourth metacarpal is medial to the third metacarpal. Ipsilateral means on the same side. For the right side of the body, the right hand is ipsilateral to the right elbow, and the right elbow is ipsilateral to the right shoulder. Distal means farther away from the midline. For example, the ankle is distal to the knee, and the knee is distal to the hip. Alright, the last thing I'll be describing is the planes of the body. The sagittal plane, Megan J, if you could please put your hand up on your forehead like a shark. Thank you very much. Sagittal shark, you slice somebody right down the midline of their body. So for example, the shoulders are lateral to the sternum and they are separated by the sagittal plane. Thank you very much. Megan J, if you could please place your hand in your midsection. This is the transverse plane of the body. For example, the sternum is superior to the knees, and these two body parts are separated by the transverse plane of the body. Lastly, the frontal plane. If you could please take your hand and chop your head like an axe. Turn sideways, please. This is the frontal plane of the body. Cuts you right down the middle, sideways. So the sternum is anterior to the whole back, and these two parts of the body are separated by the frontal plane. I believe that's all I have for you today. You can stand down. That is all. Thank you very much.